Now let us see the fourth problem. Okay, in the fourth problem we have given that the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Then find the numbers. Here this word plays an important role. Consecutive odd numbers. What are the examples of consecutive odd numbers? If you take consecutive odd numbers means what? The odd numbers which comes immediately. Okay, like 5 is an odd number. Then what is its immediate next odd number? That is 7. These are the two consecutive odd numbers. These are called as two consecutive odd numbers. And why he has given this means, if you notice that the relation between these two consecutive odd numbers, the difference between these two consecutive odd numbers is always 2. That means if I suppose that smaller number as a x, to get its next consecutive odd number, I should add 2 to it. That means, and adding 2 to it, I will get an x plus 2. That means always we need to remember that two consecutive odd numbers are in the form of and x plus 2. By using this, I can write this: let required consecutive odd numbers be as a x and x plus 2. And what else they have given? We have given that sum of these two, that means sum of these two numbers we have given as an 56. So what are the two consecutive odd numbers that we assume? That are x and x plus 2, and adding these two we have given as an 56, and transposing this plus 2 to other hand becomes negative, and we have x plus x, that is of 2x. 2x is equals to 56 minus 2. From this 2x is equals to 54 we get from this, and transposing this 2 to other hand of equation, x is equals to 54 by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 1 left, 2 7. So x we got it as 27. But what we are asked to find out? We are asked to find out two consecutive odd numbers. So what are required consecutive odd numbers? Therefore required consecutive odd numbers. What are that? That are x is equals to 27 and x plus 2, that is 27 plus 2, that is